Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am making videos on Java programming language and frameworks. Please do subscribe, like and share for more videos. And please support us. Thank you. Here I am going to explain about the program called swapping two variables by using temporary variable and swapping two variables without temporary variable. So before start writing the code, first you need to think logically how to swap the two variables using temporary variable. So first we need to do the hand execution. By practicing this hand execution, you can write your own coding and you can improve your programming skills and logical thinking also. So first when you start writing a program, or if you want to start understanding already existing program, first go through the main method if it is a standalone program, because program execution starts from a main method. And think about yourself, you are the compiler, so just understand the code line by line and don't skip any line of the code. Okay, so whenever you start looking at the coding, first see the code from the beginning until end of the closing brackets. Okay, so first here a is equal to 10. So by practicing hand execution, first understand how the variables are storing into which variables and what is the present value of the variable. All these things you need to consider. First here a is equal to 10. That means a is stored into a is stored with 10 value, right? And next b is equal to 20. Then b will be stored here 20. Then a is 20, 10 and b is 20. Now I want to swap this variable. A must be 20 and b must be 10. That is my output. So keep it in your mind. Output always aside, right? Our output must be a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10. Right? Now present values are like this. So for this, first you have to start thinking like this. Keep the help with the help of temporary variable. Then a value first stored into temp variable. Then we can keep the backup of the a value, right? Just a backup purpose. Next b value can be assigned to a. Then a value can be 20. That time already we have a backup value of a that can be assigned to b. That is our logical thinking. So as per our logical thinking, you need to start writing your coding. So first what is our step? First keep a backup, right, with the a value. So a value can be assigned to temp. Then temp will be 10. Just assign with int temp is equal to a. Then temp value will be 10. Next, what is our step? Next step, b value can be assigned to a. Means strike the 10 value and keep a 20 value. That means write the code here. B can be assigned to a. B is assigned to a like this. Now what is our next step? Backup of a value can be assigned to b value like this. Okay, 20 can be strike off and you can place 10. So for that, what is our code here? Temp is equal to which variable we are storing? B. This is the way. And don't read coding like first temp is equal to a is equal to b. These are just like sample code, but you need to understand each and every line of code. Then you can improve your logical thinking. Next, same program we can use without temporary variable. How to write?
just public static void main. Okay, next you can write int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. I don't want temporary variable, that is my requirement, so just keep start hand execution. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. How to swap these two variables without temporary variable, right? So there must be a logic. What is that logic? And keep aside always output. What is your output? Based on our output, your thinking must be start. A is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10 without a temporary variable. Now can you think 10 and 20? If you add these two variables, 30 will come. Then you can store that 30 into a value. Okay, 30 minus 20, 10. Then you can store into b value. That time b can be 10. 30 minus 10 will be 20. That time a will that can be stored into a. A can be 20. This is how you have to think like that. So what is our first step? 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20, that is 30. Where to store? To the a. Okay, so a is equal to a plus b. That means a value 10 plus 20, 30. 30 can be stored into a. 10 will be struck off and 30 is here. Next, what is our, if you observe the link between a value and b value and compare the output. If you see 30, 20 and 10, there is a logic called a minus b is equal to 10. Right? So that value can be stored into where? B value. So we have a logic 30 minus 20 means a minus b. A minus b can be stored into where? B value. Right? A minus b. Then this time if you execute this step, sorry, this can be closer program, right? If you execute this step, a minus b, 30 minus 20, that b will be stored into b, means 10. Right? Next, what is the last step? Our b value, one output is already completed. One output is completed. What is the next our target here? A is equal to 10. If you observe 30 and 10, there is some logic is there. 30 minus 10, how much? 20. What is our output here? 20. Then that easily we can store into a. Again, a minus b. What is the existing value of a? 30. B value 10. A minus b is equal to here 20. That can be stored into a. Like this you have to think the logic and keep the same logical thinking into your programming code. Thank you.